Hello friends. August 2026 is a financial turning point for every senior in America, and most people have no idea it is happening. Right now, the government has updated its income limits, eligibility thresholds, and program rules for the coming year, but it did not send anyone a letter explaining what changed. The system works on one principle: if you do not ask, you keep paying. August and September are the last window before October. Medicare Open Enrollment begins before winter heating bills arrive, and before the deadlines that determine what you pay or stop paying for the next full year close permanently. Today I am going through 5 specific bills that a significant number of seniors are legally entitled to stop paying and the exact action required in August to make that happen. Before we get into it, subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the bell. Deadlines like the ones I am covering today do not extend. Subscribe now and let's get into it. Bill number 1. The $202.90 that comes out of your Social Security check every single month before you ever see it. That is your Medicare Part B premium in 2026, up nearly 10% from last year's $185, breaking $200 for the first time in Medicare's history. It adds up to $2,434.80 per year, taken from a fixed income, before you spend a single dollar on food, rent, or prescriptions. What a meaningful number of seniors do not know, a set of federal programs called Medicare Savings Programs can have the government pay that premium on your behalf, completely eliminating the $202.90 deduction. Most comprehensive QMB covers not only your Part B premium, but also your Part A premium, deductibles, and co-insurance. For someone with QMB, out-of-pocket Medicare costs go to essentially zero, the 2026 income limits. QMB is $1,350 per month single and $1,824 for couples. SLMB, which covers the Part B premium only, is $1,616 single and $2,184 for couples. QI is $1,816 single and $2,455 for couples. There is a standard $20 income disregard, meaning $20 of your monthly income is not counted. A senior receiving $1,370 per month has only $1,350 in countable income and falls exactly at the QMB threshold. Critical new detail for 2026. 12 states have completely eliminated the asset test for these programs. Alabama, Arizona, Connecticut, Delaware, DC, Louisiana, Maine, Mississippi, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, and Vermont. If you live in one of those states and were previously told you did not qualify because of savings or assets, apply again. The rules changed. August is the critical month because open enrollment begins October 15th. Get approved in August and your benefit takes effect January 1st. You go into the new plan year with Part B already covered. Wait until October, and the enrollment backlog means approval may not come until well into 2027. Call 1-800-MEDICARE. 1-800-633-4227 and say, "Oh, I want to apply for a Medicare savings program." Bill number 2, your prescription drug costs, and a benefit that most of the people who qualify for it have never activated. If you qualify for a Medicare savings program from the first bill, there is an automatic second benefit, extra help, also called the low-income subsidy for Part D. You do not need to apply separately. QMB, SLMB, and QI enrollment all trigger automatic extra help enrollment. What extra help does? It caps prescription drug co-payments at $5.10 for generics and $12.65 for brand name drugs, regardless of retail price. Eliminates the Part D deductible, and depending on your plan, may eliminate your monthly Part D premium entirely. A senior on 3 brand name medications paying $60 per month each, $180 total, could see that reduced to $37.95 under extra help copay limits. That is $142 per month, more than $1,700 per year, from a benefit that arrives automatically the moment a Medicare savings program is approved. Even if your income is above the Medicare savings program thresholds, you can apply for extra help directly. The income limit for standalone extra help in 2026 is $23,475 per year for a single person and $31,725 for a couple. Apply at ssa.gov/extrahelp or call 1-800-7721-213. The August reason: during October open enrollment, you can switch Part D plans. If you have extra help approved before October 15th, you can choose the plan that works best for your medications at the extra help rates, rather than making your enrollment decision without that information. Apply now before the rush. Bill number 3, your electricity and air conditioning bill, and a deadline most seniors do not know exists. LIHEAP, the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, provides direct financial assistance for energy costs, including summer cooling. August is the single most important month to engage with it for 2 reasons. First, August is the peak of summer electricity bills, the month that stretches fixed incomes furthest. Second, and more importantly, LIHEAP operates on a first-come, first-served basis because federal funding's limited. In most states, seniors aged 60 and older have priority access, eligible to apply during a window that opens before the general public. If you apply in August as a senior in a priority access state, you are ahead of the general application pool. Wait until September or October, and you are competing with significantly more applicants for money that has already been partially distributed. The income limit is generally 150% of the federal poverty level, approximately $22,590 per year for a single person. Call the National Energy Assistance Referral Line at 1-800-3423-720 and ask specifically about summer cooling assistance and whether a senior priority application window is currently open in your state. Also ask about the Weatherization Assistance Program, WAP, which provides free home improvements to reduce energy consumption permanently. Insulation, window sealing, heating and cooling system upgrades. One call covers both programs. Bill number 4, the elevated Medicare premium that is being charged based on income you no longer have. If your Medicare Part B premium in 2026 is higher than $202.90, you are paying what is called an IRMAA surcharge. Medicare calculates this surcharge using your tax return from 2 years ago. Your 2026 premium is based on your 2024 income. The tiers start at income above $106,000 for a single filer and $212,000 for a married couple. The additional monthly amounts range from $74 to $444 per person, on top of the standard premium. For a couple, that is between $1,776 and $10,656 extra per year, based entirely on what they earned in 2024. Here is the August problem. If you retired in 2025, if your spouse passed away in 2024 or 2025, if you sold a property in 2024 and had a one-time income spike that year, if your pension was reduced, or if your investment income dropped, your 2026 premium is based on a financial picture that no longer represents your life. You are paying a surcharge for income you no longer receive, and Medicare is deducting it from your Social Security check right now, and they will keep taking it this August if you do not stop them. The form that corrects this is SSA-44, Medicare Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount Life-Changing Event. It is 1 page and free to file. You describe the life-changing event that reduced your income: retirement, loss of income, death of a spouse, property sale, and provide supporting documentation. SSA recalculates your premium using your current estimated income rather than the 2024 return. If approved, the surcharge reduction begins the following month. August is when to act because CMS and SSA are processing IRMAA. Appeals throughout the year, but the backlog grows significantly in October and November during enrollment season. An SSA-44 submitted in August is processed before the enrollment rush. Call Social Security at 1-800-7721-213 and say, "My income dropped significantly since 2024 due to a life-changing event, and I want to file Form SSA-44 to have my Medicare premium recalculated." Every month you wait is a month of overpayment you cannot recover retroactively. Bill number 5, your property tax bill, and the window most homeowners miss. If you own your home and you are 65 or older, your county almost certainly offers some form of property tax relief. an exemption that reduces your assessed value, a freeze that locks your assessment permanently, or a deferral that lets you postpone taxes until the property is sold. In most counties, the deadline to apply falls between August 1st and October 1st for the benefit to take effect on next year's tax bill. The scale of what is being left unclaimed is striking. According to AARP, only approximately 8% of the more than 9 million seniors eligible for property tax relief have actually applied. That means 92% are paying full property taxes. Assessments now based on home values that rose 30% to 50% over the past 5 years, while their Social Security COLA was 2.5%. The gap between rising property tax bills and fixed income is widening every year, and the programs that could close that gap sit unclaimed because they existed. Texas voters approved expanded homestead exemptions in November 2025 that took effect this year. Check with your county appraisal district about the expanded amounts. Illinois, New Jersey, and Washington have income-based freeze programs with August or September deadlines. Call your county assessor this week. The number is on your property tax bill, and ask, what senior property tax exemption, freeze or deferral programs do you offer? And what is the application deadline for next year's tax bill? Write down that deadline immediately. Missing this window means paying full taxes for another full year with no recovery. So here is your August action list. 5 calls that can save you thousands of dollars before winter arrives. Call 1-800-MEDICARE and apply for a Medicare savings program to eliminate your $200 and 2.90 Part B premium. Do it now before the October enrollment rush. Check your current extra help status or apply at ssa.gov/extrahelp. Getting approved before October gives you the information you need to choose the right Part D plan. Call 1-800-342-3720 and ask about LIHEAP summer cooling assistance and the senior priority application window in your state. If your Medicare premium is higher than $200 and $2.90 and your income dropped since 2024, call SSA at 1-800-077-21213 and say you want to file Form SSA-44 for a life-changing event. And call your county assessor's office this week and ask about senior property tax exemptions. Get the deadline and put it on your calendar before it passes. 20 minutes of phone calls in August can protect thousands of dollars in your pocket through the winter and into next year. The government does not call to explain these options. The companies do not call to explain them. The only way they work for you is if you initiate the conversation. Subscribe, share this with every senior you know, and I'll see you in the next one.